is this, sir?
This is Ramayana story. There's,
Okay. What is this? Who's this guy?
Rama.
Rama?
Yeah.
Oh, so fit, no? 6
Hi,
pack.
Rama. Yeah, 6 pack. 8 packs. He has
For the
8.
vlog. That's why I'm using lens like landscape, not the landslide.
Wow.
Petrol price the 10,000 rupiah 1 liter.
10,000 rupiah. Rupiah means, guys, this is a Balinese money, right? Balinese
Indonesia money.
10,000 1 liter.
10,000 1 liter.
Guys, 10,000 is how many dollar?
Like $1 less.
$1 less. So in India it will be 70 rupees. 70 rupees 1 liter da. In India it's 20,000.
20,000,
yeah.
cheap. So expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah, cheaper here.
Cheaper.
But here is still not good economic.
Not good economic.
Different like in India, yeah.
Yeah, different in India.
Yeah.
We different place, different price.
Really?
Yeah.
But not.
Not all. For us, we don't. In my place, I'm from the village. We don't have too many this petrol pumps, so we buy it sometimes from the streets. Yeah, we have to bring it from other metro city, so it's expensive. It's like that. But the place is same like beautiful, green and like a small cars, beautiful people, food. Like mafam dudagi 1 hour drive tawraga hojik lai si Bali swing dane lai se Ubud ki swing dane aduga atopa mafam amasu lai ko aduga sigi swing se hojik queue me am lepe hai aduga guys I think we can rent long dresses from there if you want. Yeah. And manung da chang again I will tell you the details lupa kya loge aduga dress wise dana kya na di mi photo number matam da phiron asang go selaga na missing to this lagi dress wise ya eba. So we have to choose 5 swing from here.
No.
All of them.
We will include all of them.
Oh, wow. Okay. So $30.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
29, yes, $30.
And how many minutes it will take?
For all of them, at least 1 hour.
Oh, what?
God, 1 hour, 3 hours.
3 hours?
No, you will walk together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 swing.
Fast, let's go.
Yeah.
I mean 9 swing.
No, 5 swing.
Oh, 5 swing we choose.
And this one. No. You will include all of them.
Babe, no, 5 swing is here. This is picture.
Yes.
Nest.
Okay.
You understand?
and 2
And
spot.
flamingo, I don't know.
Swan.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Swan. Little bird park. Chicken nests.
Chicken nest.
Okay.
You will get all of them.
Adrenaline
You
swing.
want to take which dress? I feel like having a how they look.
Red.
Let's go.
Red and yellow. Yes, you know that.
Dress. Sisina silagi white doi ba. Ma'am, safety guard ha pe thauri na kiye. And then she lai ma'am se mukoi gi briefing areas ma'am ne. So si swing ne. Aloha swing. Aloha. Sidala pakanda dollar either mo your local currency na tadi ba pay by card or gana kano 3% deduction ta wera. Dress khali ne. No, he's still looking for it. So I want open long. So let's see, this is the one. Ye dress kan beloy. So this is the place. Swing sala ko matamda swing seat makhan mga mafam spot 5 spot photo shoot to matamda lupa 2,500 ne ko aduga just long dress ye isana puzara o puzara tragadi waiba dangda just waiba dangda 1000 ne duduna somna setning ba sigi mafam ubud ki khogi aloha ubud hai ko aloha swing se la ko matamda mayamna khangjan ga do ba se makhan long dress manga makhan pugro ko adoi tadi yare duga wide dress yare lupa lising ma ting de so haja khoi gi laitaba firon natti basi se loin lainai nga tane dui su khoina plan tau da baina ai gi oina di unplan oina lak baina duga moi gi sidai se dress waibam lai ko ado dress se wai da pasa ting da na ba ma nga sai sai dress asang ba long dress like something mai asang ba kai noi di swing ya wang ba da gi hai ba matam da firon dress da long of the phaza doi ne ba Now they're going to rotate.
Did you take a video like that?
Do this fuck no. This is as an ass.
She's so scared.
I can't move. No, I'm so scared.
Babe, I swear to God, my heart came.
Breathe, lady. Breathe. Not scared of anything, I always say, but this is so freaked out. Come on. There is no barely like safety guard, just one like a rope. I cannot. How do I trust this rope of my life?
No,
Open my legs, yes.
let's sit down. Come here, please. Let me put the safety first. Yeah, this one.
Ready for the ride?
Stop your
Like this.
Where, here? Yeah.
Safety first. Right. So that one has less secure. That's why I was freaked out. This one has like super hardness and everything. So it's okay. It's alright. You can do it.
Wait a minute.
This is seem like I'm going for a scuba diving. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies, how was that experience?
Don't ask me.
I didn't say to put me down. She did. I did.
It was scary, but it was okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it was nice.
And we are ready for the most thriller ride.
Yes.
Enjoy. Why we don't do it? Why we ditch the harness? I told her if she don't do it, I will not do it.
Somebody cried. And
She cried.
shivering.
She's not doing it.
I
That's why
almost
I'm not
went.
doing it. It's not because I freaked out. I'm okay. It's because she's not doing it. I give up. See? How do I care, my friend? It's okay. Turn left. Left, turn left.
Oh, it's so pretty. You just need someone.
Photo namamday ko tingin doon ng suba. This is swing malay dito. Na honeymoon perfect face. Random best. Look at each other.
No kiss!
We got down from that swing. We don't do it today. Babe, what is this? Aloha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Utki manungda leiba mo gi kanwa si rice field me amne ko. Sile me am se mo anoba swing me am sa do male. Se restaurant cafe su lei res dei changa ga manungda. Adagi it looks nice. See the holy shit. It's getting brighter. Photo number gitu nga na mo se $15 lawe ba lupa 1,200 lawe photo nga sai nam gi ba cameraman do nam gi photo ma am da loi mak ta khoi bluetooth ta thara ka doi ne ba ado sana phone da gi tor ga namjar so kem kai de ado ai ima bi ga di laure ado ga ai se nga sai khana prepare tor lak pa na tab ni na white long dress to swing wang da tong dre ba ki man gi ado da ge ai gi di photo laude because I gi phone da gi dum capture ba. So the only thing Bali de lak da long dress white rogi ha ga isa gi dum puzaro aduga dum change song na ba makhan phirona dum makhan purak pa khoi gi driver sing asai de ngai ga lai ne yeah that's a makok se thumo ma ha pa gari ga thogari se ma senti se why every house has this one?
This is for in house, different place. Like
You want to tell your name? I'm making a video for
okay,
YouTube.
my name Mr. Bagus.
Mr. Bagus,
Yes,
he
nice to
took
meet
us to the Ubud swing today. So, ako'y Ubud the Bali, Indonesia, the name. Can I touch?
Yes.
I can touch. Mo say yung tong kudingi smina like leba and they have lot of ako'y Hindu Hindu culture right there. Ko mo follow ta way ba ko practice ta way right there like kuramba ayuk ta like duk thang mai tha ba ko basta way ba ko. So I'm talking about we also do the same thing morning. We put the flowers.
Yes.
We we offer to the god like foods and everything.
Yes.
So it's very
That's
similar.
This is a secret that's for that's in the house for the beginning in the morning. We preparing offering. That's for God. We believe.
Okay.
Yeah, anywhere here we have God, and then I preparing every place, every God different like mine like. We have special like small temple.
The lai masa ko yum the thamna ba do mai na. Oh, so every house has this.
Yes, every house, Balinese house. Small temple like this.
Small temple like this. Okay.
This is the family temple.
Family. Okay. And this is necessary. All the Hindus, Christian, Muslim, everybody has or only Hindu?
Only Hindu.
Only Hindu people.
This is for the.
Can I make video, right?
Yes.
I go and pray. Okay.
And this is the small temple also.
Okay.
This is like security.
Security.
Yes, security god.
Okay, security
in the
god.
House.
Okay. This god looks after the house,
Yes,
right?
It's guarded. All people here.
God. Okay.
It's very important here.
Very important.
Yeah, and then also the same.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. If we believe if out from house going to anywhere, I must like give something.
Okay.
Like peppermint something.
Okay.
Yeah. And then it's nice.
Every day in the one morning, in the evening also.
No, only
just
in the
one
morning.
time in the morning.
If in the morning I can't do it, maybe afternoon is okay.
Okay, yeah. Whenever you are free.
Yes, but it's very good in the morning.
Very good in the morning. Perfect. Sisna. So grandmother and grandfather?
No, that's only start new. That's only the like every gate.
Okay.
Decoration.
Decoration. Okay. Moi se yum khuding gi samaina lai se loi lat leba ko aduga ayuk tum hawalak pada nongalak pada khoina lai duk thangmai nungsa da nungsa tholok matam da ayuk ta hai tare lai kat pada maina moi se loina kat le du na yum tong khuding ge da gi khoi gi yum ngak pa lai ne si sina ko aduna yum lambi acho ba khoi gi bamon na mandop sara ga lai bi tap ta mayam sai ba durga su yum thong khuding gi sigumba mandir amamam di loi lai hai tare moi se yum Hindu family singi ko. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Namogi traditional chutney nasi goreng kawe. Guys, this is airport girl. Mr. Bagus?
Yes.
Bagus?
Mr. Bagus.
Bagus. Bagus, what is the special about Bali? Tell me. Why Bali is special?
We have a special culture. Bali culture is all another country. All people from another country is like my culture.
Oh, they like your culture?
Yes, and then religious also.
It's religious.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to invite people, what do you say about Bali is good, about food? Okay, first the culture is beautiful here.
Yeah.
Okay, what other things?
Maybe food also. Yeah.
Food is very good.
Balinese food. Maybe not yet try the Balinese food like betutu, ayam betutu. There's duck.
Duck?
Duck. Betutu duck.
Betutu duck.
Yeah. Crispy duck, and then another food also. Maybe that's very good also here.
So this place is religious friendly. Even if you are not belong to Christian, Muslim, Hindu, doesn't matter. I mean, I can see a lot of Hinduism here, but they have also the Muslim, they have Christians, and yeah, anyone can come. It's they don't have any races, no discriminations, no nothing.
Nothing.
So it's a beautiful place, guys. Visit Bali and contact Bagus. I will put his name.
Thank you so much. I will invite you. Go anywhere here. Good place, nice place, and then good temple. Maybe if what would you want see here in Bali? I will invite you. Go anywhere here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
so
much.
much.
I'm speechless. I'm so tired.
I think so tired. I'm so tired.
How many millions we have to pay?
Have to pay a lot. Lots of.
Oh my God, guys, do you know? You know we have to pay 3 times of this. This is for one person. Show yours, Media.